Hello everyone, welcome to Scardia.com. My name is Saima Mushtaq and our today's ENT topic is the disorder of esophagus. This topic, disorders of esophagus, we will discuss in 5 different sections. In the first section, we will talk about the definition and complaints about the acute esophagitis. Then we will talk about the etiology of acute esophagitis and also how we can diagnose acute esophagitis and how we can treat this condition. So basically the first section will be about acute esophagitis, which is inflammation of the esophagus, and it's acute inflammation, not chronic, and we will talk about all the etiology, presentation and treatment of acute esophagitis. Then in the second section, we will talk about the esophageal burns. This is also a common condition, and we will try to discuss in detail what are the presentation, what are the causes of the esophageal burns, that's important, and what's the pathological appearance in this condition, what are the different stages of the burn, how we can evaluate the patient with the burns, and how we can manage the patient with esophageal burns. Then in the third section, we will talk about the condition known as the strictures of the esophagus. Strictures cause the narrowing of the esophagus, so how it can lead to different clinical presentations. So strictures of esophagus. We will talk about the benign strictures of esophagus, what are the clinical features of strictures and how we can diagnose this condition. And also we will talk about the gastrostomy and surgery. Then in the fourth section, we will talk about the hiatus hernia. What are the different types of hiatus hernia, how we can treat hiatus hernia, and how we define what is hiatus hernia. And then in the fifth section, an important subject known as Plummer-Vinson syndrome. What are the clinical features of Plummer-Vinson syndrome? How we can diagnose and treat this condition, and also one other term known as globus or hystericus pharyngeus. We will talk about that also. So all that will be included in our today's lecture, which is the disorders of esophagus. Keep watching Scardia.com to learn about the disorders of esophagus.